From NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida, you're watching live coverage of the launch of NOAA's Geostationary Operational Environmental Satellite S, also known as GOES-S, second in the series of the nation's most advanced fleet of geostationary weather satellites. Hi, I'm Tori McClendon. Thanks for joining us. Today's launch of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket is scheduled to lift off at 5:02 p.m. Eastern Time with a 2-hour launch window from Space Launch Complex 41. In just over 30 minutes from now, the Atlas V will send NOAA's newest geostationary satellite into orbit. Let's now go to Josh Finch and Mike Curie, who are standing by inside Atlas Launch Control for more information on today's launch. Josh and Mike, how are things looking so far?
Thank you, Tori. Mike and I are here in the Atlas Spaceflight Operations Center, also called the ASOC, which is on Cape Canaveral Air Force Station.
And the ASOC overlooks Space Launch Complex 41, where the Atlas V rocket is poised for liftoff at 5:02 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Inside of the ASOC, NASA Launch Manager Tim Dunn and United Launch Alliance Launch Director Tom Heater are working closely with the entire launch teams as we continue to count down to liftoff.
The launch teams began arriving on console this morning, and they've been working through launch procedures since then. The team received a weather briefing from the U.S. Air Force 45th Space Wing Launch Weather Officer Clay Flynn. The weather folks take a look at all kinds of constraints, luckily none of which we have to deal with today. They look at wind speed, cloud coverage, the potential for thunderstorms or lightning in the surrounding area, and even solar weather, which launch teams need to know before committing to launch. But as you see, we have a 90% go weather forecast with only a 10% probability of violating the launch constraint of cumulus clouds. Launch Weather Officer Clay Flynn is not concerned about that at this time. Winds are 20 to 25 knots from the west-southwest, temperature of 80 degrees, and we have a go forecast at this time for launch.